Some of the world's greatest treasures aren't buried in gold, they're buried in the earth. Hidden beneath the soil grows a bright golden root that has shaped civilizations, flavored countless meals, and inspired centuries of traditional healing. This is the remarkable story of turmeric. For more than 4,000 years, turmeric has played an important role in human history. Historians believe it originated in the Indian subcontinent, where it became deeply woven into daily life, traditional medicine, and cultural ceremonies. Ancient civilizations valued turmeric not only for its vibrant color, but also for its versatility. Unlike fruits or vegetables that grow above ground, turmeric develops beneath the soil as an underground stem known as a rhizome. After several months of growth, farmers carefully harvest the roots, revealing their rich golden-orange color, a feature that earned turmeric the nickname nature's gold. As trade routes expanded across Asia and later into the Middle East, Africa, and Europe, turmeric traveled with merchants, becoming one of the world's most important spices. Along the way, different cultures embraced it for cooking, textile dyeing, religious rituals, and traditional wellness practices. For generations, families passed down the knowledge of turmeric from parents to children. It became a symbol of health, prosperity, and purification in many cultures, and its golden color was often associated with life, warmth, and renewal. But turmeric is much more than a colorful spice. Its greatest scientific interest comes from a naturally occurring compound called curcumin. Curcumin gives turmeric its distinctive yellow color and has become the focus of modern scientific research. Scientists continue studying how it may support the body's natural inflammatory response and antioxidant defenses. While many findings are encouraging, researchers also agree that further clinical studies are needed to better understand its full effects on human health. Today, turmeric remains one of the most widely cultivated medicinal plants in the world. Millions of farmers grow it each year, supporting local economies while preserving an agricultural tradition that has endured for thousands of years. From traditional herbal preparations and soothing teas to the famous golden milk enjoyed in homes around the world, turmeric continues to connect ancient wisdom with modern lifestyles. Yet one important lesson remains. Natural remedies should never replace professional medical care. Instead, they should be viewed as one part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. The story of turmeric reminds us that history is not only written in books, it is also preserved in the plants that generations have carefully cultivated, protected, and passed on. A humble root, a golden harvest, and a legacy that continues to inspire the world. If you enjoyed uncovering the history and science behind turmeric, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next documentary exploring the fascinating stories behind nature's most remarkable plants. If you learned something new today, let us know in the comments. Which plant would you like us to explore next? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next documentary.